Tired of manually chasing leads after every form submission? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect Aisensy with Gravity Forms using Pabbly Connect, automating your messaging and saving you tons of time. First, make sure you have an active Gravity Forms account and a form created that collects the necessary contact information, like name and phone number. Next, log into your Pabbly Connect account. If you don't have one, sign up for a free trial. Click the Create Workflow button and give your workflow a descriptive name. In the Trigger section, search for and select Gravity Forms as your trigger app. Choose New Form Submission. As the trigger event, Pabbly Connect will provide a webhook URL. Copy this URL. Now, go back to your Gravity Forms dashboard. Select the form you want to connect, navigate to Settings, and then Webhooks. Paste the Pabbly Connect webhook URL into the webhook URL field, then save the settings. Return to Pabbly Connect and click the Capture Webhook Response button. Submit a test entry through your Gravity Forms. Pabbly Connect will capture the data from your test submission, verify that all the fields are correctly captured. Next, in the Action section of Pabbly Connect, search for and select Aisensy as your action app. Choose Send WhatsApp Message as the action event. Connect your Aisensy account by providing your ATI key, which you can find in your Aisensy dashboard. Now, map the data from Gravity Forms to the corresponding Aisensy fields. For example, map the phone number field from Gravity Forms to the recipient mobile number field in Aisensy. You can also customize the message you want to send using the data from the form submission. Send a test message to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, activate your workflow. Now, every time someone submits a form through Gravity Forms, they will automatically receive a message through Aisensy, streamlining communication and improving efficiency.